Aiden, are you vacuuming? Aiden, are you vacuuming?
What are you doing?
What's up?
Go.
Talk.
Go.
Where are you going, Aiden? Can you pull it out from the wall and come get me? This way. This way. Whoa, good job. You want to come get me? Can you turn it this way, Aiden? Aiden, come over here. Good job going backwards. Can you turn it this way? Turn it toward me. There you go. Awesome. Where are you going, Spikeroonies? Aiden, come this way. Can you come this way? Come over here. There you go. Can you make it up the hill? Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.